Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet soft and simple baby hat using drops bell. I'll make slip knot and then chain 4. Chain 2 and I'll make 12 double crochets in this ring. Join with slip stitch to close the round. I move in on round 2 by making chain 2. Then I work 2 double crochets in every stitch. For this round 2 I have 24 double crochets and I will join. Round 3 chain 2. I'll continue to increase by making 2 double crochets in every odd stitch and 1 double crochet in the even stitches. So 2 double crochets in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And I'll repeat this step until the end of the round 3 to have 36 double crochets. The last stitch will be double crochet. Then I'm going to join. Round 3 is complete. Round 4 chain 2. I continue to increase 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So I'll repeat this step until I finish round 4. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, then 2 double crochets. When I finish round 4, my stitches will be 48. I'll make 2 double crochets in the last stitch, then join with slip stitch. So I have 4 rounds ready. Round 5, chain 2, 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch, 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And I'll repeat 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch, front post double crochet around the next stitch, double crochet in the next, and second double crochet in the next stitch. So I continue to repeat this step until I finish round 5. Round 6 will be the same. 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch, second front post double crochet around the second stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and continue the same stitches. join to finish the round. I will alternate the stitches for the next round. Chain 2. In every front post double crochet, I'll work 1 double crochet. Around every double crochet from the previous round, I'll be making 1 front post double crochet. One double crochet, second double crochet, and then 2 front post double crochets. And continue with the next round. That will be the same. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet, around the next front post double crochet, 1 front post double crochet around the second front post double crochet from previous round, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So I'll repeat the stitches. Make the head border. Chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next but only on the back loop, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. And I'll continue to repeat these 2 stitches. Single crochet in the back loop. chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch, so I repeat the previous round. And I'll make 3 more rounds. The baby hat is ready. I have 4 rounds for the border. The size is for 0 to 3 months baby boy or girl. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with all my new tutorials.